What is going on, guys? As you guys can see right now, you guys saw the thumbnail and everything. I want to talk about Robinhood's two things that they just released that are absolutely amazing. I know one is the drip investment, and what does drip investment stand for? Because they just came out with this on their accounts. It's dividend reinvestment plan. So basically, if you get paid quarterly, monthly, or whatever your stock that you're investing in is paying dividends in, that money automatically is going automatically back into the stock, reinvesting into it, rather than going into where it would normally go to your buying power and just sit in your account as just cash. Now, some people think that drip is an amazing idea. Some people absolutely hate it. I think it's a great idea if you are somebody that just believes in a couple of companies and you want to keep growing and you believe in those companies to just keep reinvesting it. And I think over time it's just going to keep working. Now, again, not always. Some people I know of live off their dividends, so it automatically comes out. And guys, again, right here, drips. It's just a drips investment account that they're going. They're also releasing this. You guys can also Google this as well. It's just coming up on Robinhood. This is really what you're looking at right here. You guys can pop this open right here. Basically, it's buying fractions of shares. So right now you can start buying with as little as one, or not yet, but when they release this, you're going to be able to buy $1. So those guys that don't want to invest in penny stocks, but that's all they can invest in, or they want to invest in Apple, or say Berkshire Hathaway, or things like that cost a ton. So like the price of Berkshire Hathaway stock is $338,000 for a Class A stock, guys. That's a lot of money. I wouldn't even buy that. So that being said, you can buy in these for as little as $1. Now, don't get me wrong, you're not going to get very much of a share, but it acts as a share and it goes up as in percentages. So you don't have to have a ton of money, guys, to invest. That's really what they're trying to do, is being able to get you guys into buying bigger companies without having to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Now, here's the thing. I teach people exactly how to invest in companies like this without spending the actual amount that it normally costs to get into one of these for just one share. I teach options and how to do it and so far. Now, so I wanted to give, is the drip a good idea? I think the drip's an absolutely amazing idea. I have 2 drip accounts, and they do really, really well for me. They just keep making me money. I haven't touched them. Now, again, these are accounts that I do not touch. Fractional shares, I don't know if I like this for the instance. It's not absolutely every stock. It is like 90% of the stock market, though. Your penny stocks, I don't believe most of your penny stocks are going to have this, because, again, they're lower priced. They're $2 and $3. You can just buy those anyway, so there's really no need to buy fractions of shares. Guys, I think it's a great idea for somebody that is starting. I will never buy fractional shares just unless it's like I have a Berkshire Hathaway, and I'm probably never going to do that, just because I know that I have the money. If I want to go buy Apple stocks, I buy it. I have a ton of Microsoft. I've got a ton of SPY, the ETF of the S&P 500, guys. I think these are absolutely great ways to do this. I know the Robinhood launches cash management feature. This is the other one that they just released, where you're supposed to be able to get this debit card. I'm not going to see it. Maybe they're not going to show it here. But if you go to Robinhood.com, you can see this. They have their little debit card. It actually is a cool looking little debit card. That doesn't mean it's always worth getting it. Definitely do your research. There's a commission disclosure, because they are free. It's great from your phone. They do have a great little setup. If you're new to trading, I would say go on to Robinhood. Try it. See if you think it's worth it. Now, I will say the charting is horrible. Even that they do have candlestick charts now, it's still horrible. If you want to chart, use Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, start an account, and it costs nothing as well. Guys, neither one of these guys pay me anything. I have used Robinhood, I have used Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, I have used E-Trade. I think E-Trade software is better than Robinhood, and it's not the best. But with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching this. And tell me what you guys think in the comments below and your thoughts on whether or not you like fractional shares or the drip investments.